Today, in the rise of nationalism in Europe, I am going to discuss the topic that what steps French revolutionaries took to create a sense of collective identity among the French people. The most important step was the concept of la patrie and le citoyen. What is la patrie? The concept of fatherland. What is le citoyen? The concept of citizens. So this type of feelings or this type of ideas were introduced by the French revolutionaries to create a collective identity. They talked of equality. That is, they talked of equal rights. And these equal rights will be enshrined where? In the Constitution itself. And they talked of united community. So, community will be united, a constitution will be there, equal rights will be given to the people, the concept of fatherland, that is la patrie, and the citizen, that is le citoyen. So, all these ideas were introduced to create collective identity. Furthermore, a centralized system was set up to formulate uniform laws for all citizens within the French territory. The government was what type? It was a centralized government. Naturally, when there is centralized government, there will be uniform law. Means law will be same in every areas. And where? Within the French territory. So uniform laws were introduced by the central government. Next is the commemoration of martyrs in the name of nation. Means the martyrs were commemorated who gave life for this revolution. They were given respect in the society. They were treated as heroes in the society. And new hymns were composed for them in order to infuse patriotism among the people. Next is a new color. The tricolor was chosen to replace the former French monarch. Naturally, when monarchy was there, its flag was different. Now, a common identity is now being seen among the French revolutionaries. Naturally, they adopted a new flag, a new color, the tricolor flag, and they replaced the former French monarch flag. Another is abolition of all custom duties and adoption of uniform system of weights and measure. Before, what used to happen, that if you could move the goods from one place to another, at every place you had to pay custom duties. So when the centralized government was established, now all the custom duties were abolished, and now it became easy for traders to move from one place to another within the country. So abolition of all custom duties and adoption of uniform system of weights and measure. Same types of weights and measures were found in every place within the country. It didn't differ. 1 kg did not differ with another kg of a particular region. So, with uniform weights and measures were introduced so that the collective identity may be inculcated among the French revolutionaries. Formation of National Assembly. Now what they did, and a National Assembly was established, and that National Assembly, how it was? It was an elected body of the active citizens. Now, National Assembly is what? It is an elected body, means the people will choose their representatives. And what do you mean by active citizens? Active citizens are those citizens who had right to vote. So active citizens who had the right to vote could elect the members of the National Assembly. Now power transferred in the hands of the people now. Discouragement to the regional dialects. Means regional dialects, what does this mean? That in every region there was another one, what you can say, the language. And because of that, it encouraged regionalism. So what they did, they introduced one language, that is one language called French language for all the region. You can speak in the regional language, no doubt, but all the action, all the documents, or whatever the government rules and regulation will be there, that will be done in the name of French language only. Means the French language was introduced for the entire nation state. So all these steps, what they do, that it created a sense of collective identity among the people, and because of that, those people work together, struggle together to bring a revolution in the France. With this, we come to the end of this topic. In the next video, I will talk of another topic. Thanks.